Dr. Martin here again with another quick micro lecture, this time on safe browsing practices. All right, always check the website before entering information. I'm going to show you what a secure website URL, the Uniform Resource Locator, looks like. In the URL or the browser window, you're going to see something like HTTPS. Now, HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and the S just stands for secure. Okay, so you want to make sure you're seeing HTTPS. Do you like my one take wonders? That's all I do. One take, that's it, no editing. Hope you're okay with that. And if you're not, sorry. If you just see HTTP, then it's not a secure site. Now, we're going to go back and look at this live website so I can show you an example. Here, some of the new browser updates, they don't show you that HTTPS or HTTP natively in this browser, this URL browser windows, right, where you type in the address. But if you click on it, and click on it again, right? The first time you click on it, it's going to think, oh, you want to go to a recent web page you visited. But you click on it again, then it will show you that HTTPS, right? That shows you this is a secure page, this is a safe page. Now, sometimes when you go to pages that aren't safe, or when you click on a download that is not safe, you could get warnings that pop up like this, like say, hey, watch out, this page is not safe. All right, something you do here, like installing software, could be bad for you. A lot of times these download websites that aren't secure, you could even find a site that downloads a real program. Like if you don't want to pay for a game or a program, you can go to these sites where you can download basically anything, any TV show, movie. What do they call it? Pirate Bay. I don't know if that's still around, but Pirate Bay, that was the thing. And they would always be moving their servers around because every time they would get caught, then their website would go down. But you could be downloading a real video, but attached to that video would be a piece of software that would basically be a virus or a worm, something that would try to take your personal information, add all these ads, all this crazy stuff. So don't download off of peer-to-peer networks like Pirate Bay or anything illegal. It's worth paying for the software or the movie in order to be secure. And if you ever receive a message like this on the screen, be very careful. Make sure you know that it's safe before you ever say, go ahead, go onto this website. Okay? So, again, avoid downloading from pages that you're not familiar with or files you're not familiar with. If someone sends you an email with a link like before, don't just click on it. Don't click on random links on a page unless you know where that page is coming from. Okay, so and watch out for those pop-ups that give you some warning, and make sure you're on a secure page. Most of these problems come from small decisions that you make quick. You're in a hurry. You're trying to do something really fast, or you don't really know what you're doing and you just kind of do it, and then it's too late. So slow down before you act. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in a few minutes for the next one.